It's going to be one of those sit around and do nothing and wait kind of days, because I start work today at 5 p.m. It's noon now. I've been up since about 9, just kind of fucking tooling around on Battlefield and looking around on the internet. There's really nothing, exciting or important to say. I'm not an important or exciting person. I don't get shitloads of free things from, people to, do stuff. So I kick it back, and I don't know, it's fucking Sunday, so woo, rave on a Sunday. Check it out, playing some Battlefield right now. Billy has finally decided to get up. He had something for breakfast and, did the normal morning routine, and now Amanda's downstairs making some food, and I'm just kind of watching him move around, and I'm also trying to put the t-shirts back up on the wall, because, I had them all nice and organized down the hall, but now I gotta fucking do it all over again. Hey, Bill? That's Bill's day so far. Bill! Hey, Bill. What's that, Bill? What is that? Oh, Bill. Hey, Bill. Hey, Bill. Hey, Bill. Are you awake and looking around? Hey, Bill. Billy. Hey, Bill. Amanda made some burgers and fries, and Billy is
he's grown a lot.
Quiet time.
Has he? Yeah. I don't see him that much, so when I see him,
I have to go to work now. It's just about 5 o'clock. I'm going to tear down the dance festival that I had set up on Friday. Bill. Bill. I gotta go, Bill. See you later, Bill.
I just fed Billy. And now I'm trying to burp him. Just a little bit. It's my dinner time now, so I'm going to go downstairs and take Billy with me, put him in his swing, and then feed him again. You going to burp, Bill? You going to burp? No. Decent dinner. Gotta give Billy the rest of his dinner, though, once I'm done mine. Hi, Billy. What are you doing? Sweet tea.
smile at me. Hey? You're gonna smile at me. You too? Hey? Just say, hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. Hey?
Bill. Philip's out there, and then there's this weird gray tabby cat out there. Billy had an accident in the clothes he was wearing, so he's got his new Dr. Seuss onesie on. Is that what these are called?
Yeah.
One fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish.
It's so cute.
I used to read that book when I was a little kid.
Yeah.
Nice. Looks good.
Nice blue on you. See? Nice blue on you.
Bye.